Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the MS PowerPoint video series. So in the last class, we have discussed about the Home tab and we have completed the Home tab. Now we are moving to the Insert tab, and in Insert tab, we are going to see some other options. So as you can see here, the same option, New Slide, you can also use that. If you want to create a table, if you want to create a table, you can also make a table as well. So I'm moving to the New Slide, and after going to the New Slide, if you want to make a table, for example, I want to make a table like this. So as you can see here, the table, you can use this. I'm going to move this table here, and if you want to increase the size, you can also increase the size of the table. It's up to you. And as you can see, in this way you can increase the table. After that, after inserting a table, as you can see, some options are related to table are here. You can also use that. You can change the shading, borders, and all things are provided here. It's up to you. If you are using, if you need these type of options, you can also use them. It's up to you. And here's the layout. In the layout option, you will see some other options as well. So let's back to the topic, and we are going to insert tab, and now I'm going to delete the table. So let's delete this one. And after that, as you can see, the picture option, if you want to insert the picture, you have to click on the picture, and you have to click on this device. And after clicking on this, so now we have to select the picture. I'm going to the gallery section, so I'm going to download, and I'm going to select this picture, and you have to click on the insert. So as you can see, picture is here, and now you can easily move it anywhere. So in this way you can insert the picture, and the picture format tab will be open, and you can see some options related to picture editing in this tab in the picture format. Then you have the screenshot option. If you want to capture a screenshot, you can also capture the screenshot. You have to click on this. For example, I want a screenshot of this, and as you can see, the screenshot is captured here. So in this way you can capture a screenshot. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use these options. So see you guys in the next video.